Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unbagging. And again, it is from Amazon. It is a budget-friendly, less than $10 canvas. But before I get into the canvas, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for sticking with me, and I have really made some really awesome friends through YouTube, and I appreciate every single one of you. So, if you're just passing through, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe, and hopefully you'll like my videos. So, all right. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into this video. And I am going to grab me a drink. Okay. So I hope everybody's doing great today. All right. So this is a poured glue. So I am going to roll it up, going the opposite way so I can flatten it out a little bit. Sometimes when you do this, it'll help flatten it out. And if it's really bad, then you can pull the cellophane up some, and that will help it flatten. All right, so this is a basket of flowers. And it says down here on the sign, True Love. So, this could be considered a Valentine's, but I think it would be cute to do it at any time of the year. And if you wanted to gift this to someone, you could, this would be a good one for somebody who is getting married, getting engaged, a family member, your mother. Ooh, Mother's Day is coming up, so this would be a cute one for Mother's Day. So, all right, y'all, this is a 30 by 40, and I gave $4.98 for this. And let's look at the toolkit. All right, it has got what I call a little bit of a better toolkit than average. All right, so it has some baggies, just a few, maybe 5, 6 baggies. You get 2 pins, but one has got a multi-placer on it, and it looks like maybe a 7-placer, 9-placer, maybe, I don't know. I'm still on a 4-placer, y'all. You get a pink squishy to go on your pen. You get a piece of pink wax and a green bow. So I think any toolkit that comes with more than one pen and a multi-placer, that's, a decent kit. But, I mean, you don't have to have all of this. Just the boat, the glue, or the wax rather, and a pen, and you're good. I'm having problems getting all that back in there. All right, let's look at these drills. Now, it does have the DMC numbers. Whoop. Are listed on the legend, which it has a legend on the top left and the bottom right. There are 30 colors in this, and like I said, the DMC numbers are on here, and it looks like we are going to be working with numbers 1 through 8. We've got letters And then we're going to have 3 symbols, but they're, you can see them, they're just the average symbols. So that's good. So let's look at these drills. And I like the drills that comes with this gray strip. I've never had a problem with them. So, well, we'll just start with this little short one. I love these colors. So we have purples. And we have pinks. There's a red. And then we have white. Some peachy. Yellow. Some browns. Greens. Some blue. Some more blues. Some grays. Got some browns. And then some grays. Some more peachy, orangey looking ones. We have some orange. Ooh, that color's pretty. Some more purples and some reds. And then we have 2 bags of 310. So those look pretty good. Like I said, I have never had any issues with these drills that come in this. Not even static. So these are really good drills. Alright, so let's bring it down. And we'll look at the drill field. And we'll see it is very sticky. And there's the thumbnail. But the drill field looks pretty good, y'all. And it's going to be a lot of confetti. Because look at this. Look at this background. You see where the... you see it's like 50005050005. Yeah, no color blocking on this one. But it's pretty. Very pretty. And they've put a light symbol on a dark background and a dark symbol on a light background. So I like that. I really, really, really like it when they do that. Alright. I'll bring you back up. But look at the tablecloth. Isn't that pretty? That is really pretty. This is very country looking. And like I said, it doesn't have to just be for Valentine's Day. But I think it's pretty. So what do y'all think? And like I said, there's 30 colors. So yeah, it's pretty confetti heavy. But it is pretty. And for $4.98, y'all, that's not bad. So, alright, y'all, what do you think? I will put the information in my description box. And until my next video, y'all, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.